This is a review of the Fluval 105 canister filter, 125 gallons per hour. The Fluval 105 series filters offer state-of-the-art features to ensure reliable and trouble-free operation and maintenance for your aquarium. The Fluval canister filters provide 35 to 55% more volume than would be possible with other round canisters of the same dimensions, resulting in a greater mass of filter material and a larger filtration area. The Fluval motor is hermetically sealed to ensure reliable operation, and it does not require any coolant. Besides the impeller, there are no moving parts. This Fluval has an advanced filtration system providing maximum versatility and premium performance for aquariums of up to 25 gallons. This does have instant priming for convenient, simple, and quick filter startup with no manual siphoning required. Has a high output motor that's sealed in epoxy to resist high temperatures for performance and safety. Has the AquaStop Valve that offers an air and watertight seal permitting hosing to be disconnected without breaking the vacuum. The pump output on this is 125 gallons per hour, and it does come with a 3-year warranty. Now, these Fluvals are rated very well with 4.3 out of 5 stars, and what people like about these Fluval 105 canister filters is they last a long time. They're very quiet and they clean quite easily. They're also very easy to install, and they come with an excellent manual. Now, some of the drawbacks, there really aren't too many. The only drawback is that people do feel it is a little bit more expensive than some other filters on the market, but most people feel it more than makes up for it.